In this experiment, we will see how to connect gas sensor which will detect the smoke using Arduino board. So the components required are Arduino board, a breadboard, and fix the gas sensor in the breadboard in this fashion. And then we need a resistor to the value of 4 kilo ohm. So initially, these three legs has to be connected to the power supply. So let's take a 5 volts power supply and connect it at this point of the breadboard. So similarly, we'll also take ground and connect it to this end of the breadboard. So let us connect the ground and the power supply pin. This leg of the gas sensor, we should connect it to the ground, and this leg should be connected to the ground through a resistor, and these three legs should be connected to the power supply. Then this is the leg where we are going to connect it to a pin to read the sensor value. So let's take that pin is A0. The connection is done. So now let's start the coding part. So here we'll select text. So there is a default code here. We are going to do a small change in the code. So we are going to check the smoke detection, and the value is going to be displayed in the serial monitor. So for that, we'll begin the serial monitor. Serial dot begin of 9600. Then here we'll write the coding for sensing part. So let's take float sensor value. We'll take a variable float sensor value. Then we'll write sensor value equal to analog read of pin A0. So we are going to write, we have connected to the pin A0. So we'll write pin A0. Then we'll print it. So serial dot print of sensor value. So we'll leave a line before it print the next value. The coding is done. We'll execute and check how the output of this program is. So initially we'll start the simulation. We'll clear the serial monitor. We'll start the simulation. So when you start the simulation, we could see that some value is displayed here. So there will be a smoke like which appears here in the workspace. So as you move that towards the sensor, we could see that the value increases. So when it comes so close to the sensor, it approaches value which nears to 600. So this is how the sensor value is displayed.